Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start at Finviz. Calm and open the screener tab. Choose the signal filter for per-market movers so you only see stocks active before market open. Next, pick exchanges, NASDAQ, NYSE, or Amex, so you limit noise to venues you trade. Once done, apply a market cap or price filter to match your risk profile, then sort results by per-market volume to surface liquid names you can actually trade when the bell rings. Now refine the list. Set a minimum price and a per-market volume threshold, for example price over $1 and volume above 100K to avoid illiquid pennies. Then add technical filters like RSI extremes or gap percent to capture significant moves, and flag earnings or fresh news so you know drivers. After filtering, open each candidate's chart. Look at 5-minute per-market action and the daily trend to judge momentum and finish by creating a simple trade plan. Set an entry limit, a stop-loss percentage, and a profit target so you act without emotion at open. Then monitor level 2 or time and sales as the market opens to confirm real buying interest and execute with proper size. If Finviz shows incomplete per-market data, refresh the page, clear cookies, or switch the exchange filter to force an update. Those steps usually fix missing symbols.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.